Welcome to Speaking Tamil Ideas. How to write Grantha letter Shah. Shahjahan. Shah. J. J. Ka. In. Shahjahan. Would you like this video? If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.